We're inside InternetG's free online How to Perform Deck Inspections course. At the exhaust, we're going to talk about exhaust and decks. Air provided to fuel-burning equipment, including air for fuel combustion, draft hood dilution, and ventilation of the equipment, must terminate outside in an unobstructed space. Combustion air intake openings located on the exterior of a house must have the lowest portion of the opening located at least 12 inches vertically from the adjoining finished ground level, deck floor surface, or deck structure. Combustion air can come from underneath the deck, it just can't be obstructed by the deck. Category 4, high-efficiency appliances, such as furnaces and water heaters, may have vents that are only for exhaust, or they can include a combustion air intake with either concentric termination or a pair of pipes. These vents must be installed according to the manufacturer's installation instructions. The vents must not be blocked or obstructed by the deck floor, deck components, or the deck structure. Duct termination. Exhaust ducts must terminate outside of the house. As a general rule, the exhaust ducts should terminate at least 3 feet in any direction from any opening of the house. The exhaust for the clothes dryer must terminate outside the house. The clothes dryer exhaust sometimes terminates through the band joist at the same location as the deck ledger board connection. The clothes dryer exhaust vent hood must not be blocked or obstructed by the deck floor, deck components, or deck structure, and it must have adequate clearance from the deck. Obstructing a clothes dryer exhaust is a defect and can cause a fire.